famous incident. Thousands of others have come forward with similar reports of being abducted by extraterrestrials.
What's particularly notable is the fact that during alien abductions, people talk about DNA taken from their bodies and essentially experimented on by these strange, short, black-eyed entities that become known as the Greys.
As far as ancient astronaut theorists are concerned, an equally chilling aspect of these reported alien abductions is the role that human blood and blood type seems to play in determining which human subjects become the targets of experimentation. New York, New York, 1940. At the Rockefeller Institute, Nobel Prize-winning scientist Carl Landsteiner makes yet another groundbreaking finding in his work surrounding human blood types. Landsteiner discovers the Rh factor, a type of protein or antigen on the surface of red blood cells, setting the scientific world afire.
One of the things about human blood types is we have an Rh, either positive or negative blood type. And it simply has to do with a particular antibody on the outside of our red blood cells. If you have it, you're positive, and if you don't, you're negative.
Landsteiner was the first person to identify the original A, B, and O blood groups. But his latest discovery ignites a much more fascinating mystery underlying the nature of human blood.
One of the most intriguing aspects of the Rh negative versus Rh positive is that science really does not have a specific answer as to why some people should be negative and why other people should be positive.
Just like any virus or bacteria or disease, if you mix these blood types, you can get interesting effects. If you're Rh negative and you get Rh positive blood, the red blood cells look different. They look like an invading bacteria or virus, and your immune system will react to that. And that can lead to various diseases and problems.
When you're in a situation where you have a pregnant woman who is Rh negative and the father is Rh positive, what we find is that the pregnant woman's immune system quite literally views the growing fetus as something alien, no pun intended. In that situation, medicine is provided to ensure that the fetus grows healthy.
How and why the Rh negative blood type developed remains a mystery to scientists. And while the blood type is rare, there appears to be a disproportionately high occurrence of Rh negative individuals among one particular group of people. Those who claim to have been abducted by aliens.
I don't think anybody would be able to stand behind a number and firmly know, but maybe 3, maybe even some 4 out of 10 people that you would interview in the abduction syndrome would say, I'm Rh negative.
Could determining the origin of Rh negative humans be the key to uncovering the mystery behind potential human-alien hybrids? Is it possible that a link to an ancient history of Rh negative people could be found in a modern-day population of humans? Basque Country, northern Spain. Wedged between the mountains and the shore, this isolated and unique culture near the border with France contains a genetic heritage rare in most of the world. The Basque people have the highest concentration of Rh negative blood on Earth.
What's particularly fascinating about the Basque people is their huge percentages of Rh negatives in their populations. Typically, it's above 50% in the entire Basque population. What's particularly notable is that in the rest of the planet, across the world, the figures are actually only about 2 to 3%. And because because we know that ancient man roamed around those same areas of Spain and France thousands and thousands of years ago, this has given rise to the potential theory that the early humans were also Rh negatives.
While it is unclear exactly what role the Rh negative blood type plays in what many believe to be an ongoing alien hybridization project, there are some who are certain that the ultimate goal is to alter the human race. But why? As far as they are concerned, the answer is clear, because they claim that they themselves are hybrids. Coming up.
I have become convinced they are ET human hybrids. Our greatest question is who walks around on our planet, looks human, but isn't.